Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete Call of Duty Mobile account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, to get started, open your Call of Duty mobile game and log into your account that you'd like to delete. Once you're logged in, tap on the settings button located at the top right hand corner. Now, scroll down from the left hand side menu and tap on Legal and Privacy. On the right hand side, if you go to the bottom, you'll be able to see Delete Account button. Tap on the Go button and it'll take you to a web page. Scroll down from the page and tap on Submit a new request. Scroll a bit down to find out how you can delete your personal information with this step. Scroll all the way down until you find this drop down from where you can choose your country's name. Select your country from the list and check this little box where it says I've read the above term and condition. After doing so, tap on Proceed to Privacy and Data Protection Portal. Now, from this page, select Delete my personal information, Right to Erasure. Now, from this page, you'll need to log into the same account for which the original request was made for deletion. Go ahead and select one of the methods you'd like to use or the servers you created an account with. In my case, I'm gonna select the Call of Duty Mobile option and it'll ask you to enter your player ID, Universal ID, Privacy ID, and then click on I'm not a robot. Finally, click the Continue button at the bottom and follow through the prompts till the end, and you'll be able to delete your Call of Duty Mobile account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.